Tell the waitress bring the bottles, put it in the ice. I swear to God, I done had plenty nights. A fucking bitch live from marijuana, bring me life. Party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like.
An artist like me is only seen every leap year. So let's party like a frat house with cheap beer. We the premier. Niggas in the streets, dear, keep this piece near, or it's blood on my seat smeared. Let it be clear. The only thing that he fears is not being revered as the black key parent. Without y'all thinking he weird, I told this young Pete Greer, my sheet sheer, so you should sleep here. But until then, I keep the presidential rollie shining brilliant. Feel like I'm Bill Clinton. Shawty say she wasn't gone, but she still went. Been around the world twice, but I'm still pressed. I seen my ex in the club, she probably got the same number. If I call her right now, I bet you she still sprint. Flew out to Paris, I'ma send my chauffeur. You can call him Pierre, either way it's still French. So tell the waitress bring the bottles, put it in the ice. I swear to God, I done had plenty nights. The fucking bitches live on marijuana, bring me life. Party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like.
Who am I to say what I deserve, and if I really deserve it? I get to play with these words while the world it barely keep turning. Determined to get it. Born in a city I didn't fit in, cause killing was all we saw. Now we yelling Michigan, we did it. I used to have drama, I used to not sleep. Now I got a bunch of J's that ain't never been on my feet. Meanwhile I'm reflecting, don't take a second for granted. I just accepted my quest is to be the best when you handed this opportunity. Shit, your only choice to go get it. For all my niggas missing, I deserve these riches and bitches. Who say I don't? Who said that I won't? Be up on some new shit. Got two bitches, they 22, cool with making room for a new chick. I got it, I know I got it, and don't it feel right? Shit, I can't explain with these words what it feel like when everything you dreamed about is your real life. We about to take a leap of faith like it's the 29th. What?
Tell the waitress bring the bottles, put it in the ice. I swear to God, I done had plenty nights. My fucking bitches live on marijuana, bring me life. Party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like.
It's okay. Born, raised in Decatur bread, and Thomas Bakery bacon, that's some Decatur bread. In school I major in major money and majorette. I ain't major yet, but shit, I pay the rent. The hottest with the gram since Insta. Grown party raps, every bar's a bar mitzvah. See how many hoes a new foreign car get ya. Tryna live your dreams out before the law pinch ya. Wake up, tryna get my cake up. Cliche, all the shit we make up. One hit rappers at the labels till they break up. Niggas need a hard drive, all the space you take up. Make room please, like niggas move please. Now you get the looks and whispers like who's he? Never marry pussy, I know she's a groupie. So even though it's tight, I use that term loosely. And
tell the waitress bring the bottles, put it in the ice. I swear to God, I done had plenty nights. The fucking bitches live on marijuana, bring me life. Party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like. Back when Twan had the money collar with the T-tops, Jabos in my Reeboks, I was trying to B-box. Now I'm in the CL, smooth, Pete Rock. We not on the same level, you biatch. I wanna be T Award, I'm trying to win the EGOT. For your information, kiosk. Sorry to keep you waiting, detox. Landmark in Stone Mountain, I'm like the main street clock. Shit, I might zip up to the party in the Fiat. Hosted like I'm Levi, standing on the furniture. I'm with a girl I used to like in high school. Tried to put my bid in, but I never got my turn with her. But tonight feels right, it's like 10 before 2. Skies indigo blue, Mercedes Benz with no roof. So let your head down, you with a prince for the night. Even though I never been your type, it don't matter. Tell the waitress bring the bottles, put it in the ice. I swear to God, I done had plenty nights. A fucking bitches live on marijuana, bring me life. Party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like it's February 29th. We gon' party like.
just too hard to hide. I can't get over you. I've tried to lose myself in song, but the tides are much too strong.